Nyankopɔn ase say yetimi launch sa project we ade meni eniso ade say Musa Ghana ha yewo nkwala na omo talent ne pa but omunya good platform ombetime showcase wo mo ho ene ne ade amede simu so say nkwala na omo talent na ekombia so me so once amakobobo wa monone mesu enyama bebre ho me links wo bebre teams ne bebre no ada na me man nkwala na omo potential na sabi omuntime afford plenty kitine sa anyamanya nkotu kwan no ene ne ade ma ka me metime aye sa project and also me experience of football mu say I was banned 1.5 years in football simple because I cannot read a contract and understand. So this is something that I want to let them know that education is a key, so they have to take good care of their education. Mr. Ochodiampo, Mr. Ghana for say I cannot do it alone. Me here will be especially the media house in we need everybody's support. Akwalabi o baby amufi so talent mfi so mo form video so masobeti na ya bo mo na nkwala no etumpon ye here the likes of Michael Essien, Steven Appiah, Tony Bafo, Abedi Pele and myself. We need some of them in the national team.
Nedi kan ma membo na baso e wa adefefe a opese oyema oman no na ono ankasa ne ho. Ohwe ne career say he has been very successful and influential in the football career na me obi amini ne pa because me na start under 20 near under 23 they call local blasters and san S-Inkoom blasters itself nti obi amini nti ye nyina ya bobo ni bida nti experience na yakonya na outside no with clubs ayabo coaches ni links ya yewo no se ba fie ni ese di free adwuma no ma enye fe nti se menua no adi ne ho ahyem se ese nyina yetime boa na o kan se bi efe se ono ankasa no asem bi to no ma FIFA for bande no nti he doesn't want footballers na wa ba no bekom nti it's a good na say odi ba oman no nti se de be ya experience no wo no of players na wetima achiro mo kwan on befa so apart from adwuma na on park so know how to invest their money as well nti mebo menua na ba so nti ye nyina beboa no se de be ya ebetimi associate na ama oman no yenya de pa free ne ho no kre uhu bida me hu bida na me ma player for 10 years e wo national team ntimi anje 5 African Cup of Nations. I'm really disappointed in myself. So oman na ma wakwanya no about 5 African Cup abuse amre na ntimi a na say ya hwese obi nso emeto asonhwe ade ntie no kre African Cup ne boy din enye easy na bia wa house mekwa akoje the bia ye tournament ya Ghana de onim say om de be kan favorites no ho nti normal because of Dina Ukraine no nti we have ups and downs so hwe say the team is it here come matches bia say the your gallant supporters na peno enko players no so say almost they are not happy and I don't think nobody's happy in this situation. I will know the FASF is not happy. I don't think the president is not happy. Maybe the government is not happy and we the supporters no say the name ikono we are not too happy. But listen, it's football. Edu time be name be confirm. Me I'm very optimistic say say name na asintem abraye wo 2-3 months ewo yanim nti young support boys no there are some new boys here omubam and it will take small time but generally no you don't have time when it comes to the blasters because of time frame no nti yenya botre and now no coach na who the kind of players here he thinks say a bit more one tournament no nti yenya botre I know say ombe approach the next month qualifiers na there no as I say Yabeko African Cup they will approach it in a different style. Ghana for be say the team is getting ready for the African Cup. Me one personal me support players na quality na mahuno say make effort kakrabia. I'm very optimistic say January nyame ebeton super agu Ghana so nti about things will change in gradual process.
First of all, I want to thank Samuel Inkoom for this gracious invitation to launch the S-Inkoom Football Management Agency. It is an honor to be here today amidst excitement and passion of football community. As the Minister for Youth and Sports, I'm thrilled to witness the birth of this ambitious football agency. First of all, I want to commend Samuel Inkoom for his passion and dedication for these beautiful games, football. During his years of active play as a professional footballer, his vision of supporting aspiring footballers and providing top-notch services to professional players align perfectly within our government commitment to developing sports in Ghana. I stand here today as a representative of His Excellency the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, which has made significant investment in sports infrastructure development, and our goal has always been to promote a thriving sports ecosystem. And I would like to highlight some of the notable projects and policies and programs of our government has undertaken since assuming office. The construction of the 10 stadia across the 10 regions, which is currently 6 of them, is currently just about commissioning. The rehabilitation of the National Sports Stadium, the Accra Sports Stadium, the Babayara Sports Stadium, and the Sipon Sports Stadium, Cape Coast Sports Stadium have all seen rehabilitation works. The construction of a multi-purpose sports facilities for the 13th African Games to be converted to Sports University for Sports for Development is also currently under construction. Upgrading of the University of Ghana Sports Stadium is also just at the final stage of completion. Currently, over 152 community turf have been constructed. The sports policy is also being worked on currently. The sports legislation, that's the LI for the Sports Act, also has been done. It's at the final stage, and the pre-laying has been done at Parliament. And very soon, when Parliament resumes, the LI will be laid. Criteria for national team support has also been done. These infrastructure projects have not only enhanced the sports landscape of our nation, but has also brought economic and social benefit to our various communities. I want to use this platform to call on the private sector and key stakeholders and also top sports administrators like my father here, Mr. Nyao Tamoklo, who have played a key role in the football development in Ghana. Ghana's sports industry is on the rise, and we encourage private sector partnership to ensure the benefit of our investment are felt by everyone, as well as realize its maximum usage and benefit, whether it is in the football management, sports academies, or whether it's a related venture. Your participation in this sector is very vital. Additionally, I want to emphasize that our doors at the Ministry of Youth and Sports are wide open for collaboration and partnership, or any input from individual or organization that share our vision for advancement of sports in Ghana. We believe in the power of unity and a shared commitment to achieving our goals. In conclusion, this pivotal movement for grassroots football development and also geared towards youth development in our country, the 152 AstroTurf provided by this government in our various communities offer a unique opportunity for young talents to flourish at the grassroots. Let us work together to nurture the next generation of Ghanaian sports stars. Thank you so much, and I want to use this occasion to wish S-Inkoom Football Management Agency every success in their mission to support and develop the future stars of our great country. Let us reach international standards of excellence in sports.